Hello, welcome once again to Shabes online tutorial. In today's tutorial, we are going to learn how to provide a solution to this Jamb 2022 past question on the board. And the question reads, if the mean of 2, 5, s plus 1, s plus 2, 7 and 9 is 6, find the median. So this is Jamb 2022 mathematics past question. And here are the available options. We have option A to D. So let us solve. And remember, before we went further to find the median of this data, and the mean is given as 6, we need to find the value of this unknown in the data. This x is unknown. We need to find the value before we find the median. So how are we going to do it? Then you watch carefully. So solution. So we recall the formula to calculate the mean of the data. And the formula, we have mean, which is also called S bar, can be written as S bar, which is equal to summation of x divided by n. So when x is each of these data is represented by x, this is x1, x2, x3, x4 down to x6, and the n is the number of the item. We have how many number here in this data? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So therefore my n is equal to 6. So to get the value of this unknown, what we are going to do is to substitute. If you see the question, this mean is given as 6. So we are going to substitute mean here at 6 because the mean of this data is 6. 6 here, which is equal to summation of x. And remember, x, this is my x. So we are going to sum up all this number together to give us this part. So the first number is what? 2. Then plus the next number, which is 5. Then plus the next number, which is s plus 1, then plus the next number, which is s plus 2, then plus 7, then plus the last number, which is 9. So this is the summation of x, then divided by n, and my n we have earlier explained, and my n is 6. So to get the value of this unknown data, how are we going to do? So we are going to cross multiply. So 6 multiplied by 6. Remember, if I divide 6 by 1, it's still 6. So 6 multiplied by 6 is going to give us 36, which is equal to 1 multiplied by the whole of this number. It will still give us 2 plus 5 plus x plus 1 plus s plus 2 plus 7 plus 9. So the next thing we are going to do is to combine the like term from here. So we are going to have 36, which is equal to, first of all, let us add the constant together. 2 plus 5 is 7, 7 plus 1 is 8, then 8 plus 2 is 10, 10 plus 7 is 17, then 17 plus 9 is going to give me 26. So the constant is 26, then plus, we are going to add the unknown together. So we have two unknown. S plus S is going to give us 2x. So the next thing we are going to do is to add negative 6 to both sides. In order to eliminate this 26 here, in negative 26. So in the left hand side, we are going to have 36 minus 26, which is equal to 2x. So 36 minus 26, it will give us 10, which is equal to 2x. So to get the value of s, we are going to divide both sides of this equation by the coefficient of x, which is 2. So we divide through by 2, then by 2, so that these 2 will cancel these 2. So therefore my x now will be equal to 10 divided by 2. It will give me 5. So this is the value of s. Now we can go back to our data and substitute. Anywhere we see x, we substitute 5. So my data is going to be, the first number here is 2, then comma, the next number, which is 5, then the next number, which is s plus 1. And remember, the value of my s is 5. Then we add 1 to 5. 5 plus 1 is going to give me 6, comma. Then the next number, which is s plus 2. And my s here is 5. Then we add 2 to 5, which is going to give me 7. Then the next number is also 7. And the last number is 9. So my data is in constant. We are finding the value of s in this data now. Now, the next thing we are going to do, and the question will say we should find the median. We have successfully find the value of this unknown. What we are going to do is to find the median of this data. So how are we going to do? And remember, a median is a value that separates the higher half from the lower half. So if you look at this data, is arranged because it started from the lowest number to the highest number. And recall, if you want to find a median of, let's say, a median of an odd data, like if you have 1, 2, and 3. So if you separate the higher from the, and this is the lowest, so the median number is going to be 2, which is the median. But in this case here, our data is even. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. We have 6 items in this data. So if you separate this from this, there is nothing in the middle. So what we do, we are going to add these two numbers in the middle of this data. You see, 6 and 7, they are the middle number here. So we add the number together, 6 plus 7, then we take the mean of this number, the average, we divide it by 2. So this is my median, which is equal to 6 plus 7. Then we divide it by 2. And 6 plus 7, of course, is going to give us 13 divided by 2. Then if you divide 13 by 2, it's going to give us 6.5 or 6.5. So this is the median of this data. And if you look at the option A, B, C, so option C have 6.5. So this is the correct answer. Thanks for watching and follow me for more. Don't forget to share this video. Thanks.